Hey guys, we did a non-farm over-the-shoulder trading day with my premium clients and a few guest purchases for the day pass. This non-farm just gone. This is the recording with the pound that we're looking at on the GBPUSD. That's this chart over here as the bad number comes in for 138. So we saw that rally. We quite like that structure, and if you have a look at the chart in a bigger time frame, you can see in actual fact that it was a first setup in a new trend, potentially pointing to overperformance to the upside for the pound. Strong up, drifting down, strong up, drifting down. And then when we have a look at that, you could see that was in the run. We didn't chase the trade at all. And that was a good thing because it ran, reached a certain point, and then just sold off back down most of it. At this juncture, because we had a good structure and a proper tweezer bottom low here for the 2 low, we were a buyer there with a stop there. The market then rallied up, tweezer topped again. So you've got a tweezer top for your 3 and a tweezer bottom for your 2 low. And then went into this holding pattern and was wanting to push forward Friday. Then we had the London Bridge attack over the weekend. Attack inverted commas. Down she went, down to here. The 3 low stood as stop, and we felt that the response to the attack and would eventually be shrugged off. Essentially, this has happened before. It's an ongoing narrative, and as a result, we didn't overact too much to this, and we took a further purchase. Went into a very low vol. This was the Asian session, Sunday session. So we've gone from the Friday to the Sunday session here when we broke down. So this is all Sunday in the Asian session. Then we had a little look down, which is look one way, go the other way candle, which is one of my favorites. A proper test, which stood again on that lower end of the gap support. You can see that there. We've got that lower end of the gap support. It stood on it and shot up the other way, closed the downside gap, which is this red zone area. And has then run and broken the tweezer top that we are looking to highlight here with these that little bar and our 3 high right there. Very similar to the tweezer bottom low here, which has been well supported as well. So when you get clear technical levels, that's very, very helpful. So what have we done? We sized up here because we were underweight once we moved the stop from 2 to 3, and it allowed us that. And then we had a very minor top up here, which is a traditional entry. So this has largely been break and entry. We did a whole money management element with this, which showed why we could add to our positions. And it might be fun just to show you that. Here it is. So we showed everyone how we use money management in HVF with the just-in-time entry and then the break-in entry levels, how it changes your risk-reward. This was actually quite a poor pattern from a traditional sense of risk-reward, 1.22, which is why we had to take break-in entries to make it attractive, which means you're taking on a bit more risk, but if it works really well, 9.78. And that's quite a good one, and of course we've done the break-in entries twice, so we'll see how this pans out, this trade. But this is your update on GBPUSD. Also got a little bit of the London Bridge narrative in it that seems to be shrugged off, and I'd like to suggest, chaps, you can contemplate trading days. With us, you can see live trades as they unfold. You'll often earn more than it costs to attend in the trades alone. That's not a guarantee. Anything can happen. We can lose money as well. If you'd like to purchase the recording of this particular event, it's available, and just contact support at the Market Sniper. There's a full 5.5 hours where you'll find it extremely informative. So contact support at the Market Sniper, and that's £97. And you'll have the better part of 6 hours of material for you to work through, which I think you'll find very, very useful. So support at the Market Sniper if you'd like to find out more about that. We are long the pound, and that is your gap sell-off that has now been closed with the look one way, go the other way candle. And we are expecting 29,700 to be run on balance of probabilities. We haven't achieved anything. This could all fail and smash back down and run that low 3 and kill this pattern. Anything can happen. The market's ability to do unexpected things remains. However, being a first setup in a new trend, we may also let some of these targets go. We might do partial closes and trade for overperformance here. So that's your news. Dollar looking weak, and get in touch if you want to find out more about all the incredible learning in just this one trading day, which was quite an intriguing one, which also included cryptos, the pound US dollar, and also had an equity that we are collecting some good returns on as well. So with that, I love you and leave you, and I hope you enjoy the clip. If you share and rate, it's greatly appreciated by us. Thank you.